Saudi Arabia just made $191 billion in a single year selling nothing but oil. That is more than the entire GDP of Greece. Built on petrodollars, ruled by one family, hated by enemies, courted by every superpower on earth. In 1990, Saudi Arabia leads at $40 billion. Russia 15.
Iran 15.
UAE 12. Iraq invades Kuwait this year. Operation Desert Storm liberates the Gulf. Oil prices double overnight. In 1995, Saudi Arabia 42 billion. Russia 20.
Iran 15.
UAE 15. The Soviet collapse halved Russian oil revenue. Yeltsin sells oil giants to oligarchs for pennies. Khodorkovsky becomes the richest man in Europe. In 2000, Saudi Arabia 70. Russia 45.
Iran 25.
UAE 25. Crude hits $30. Putin renationalizes Russian oil. Every Gulf state runs on oil exports. In 2005, Saudi Arabia 165. Russia 110.
Iran 55.
UAE 50. Crude hits $70. China's growth eats every spare barrel. Petrostates explode in wealth. In 2008, Saudi Arabia 280. Russia 250.
Iran 90.
UAE 110. Crude reaches $147 per barrel, all-time high. Then Lehman collapses. By December, oil crashes to 30. In 2010, Saudi Arabia 215. Russia 195.
Iran 70.
UAE 75. Recovery comes fast. Arab Spring is 1 year away. Libya collapses. Oil exporters fund authoritarianism worldwide. In 2012, Saudi Arabia 320. Russia 285.
Iran 75, sanctions hit.
UAE 130. Brent stays above 100 for 4 straight years. Petrostates build skyscrapers, sovereign funds, megaprojects. In 2014, Saudi Arabia 285. Russia 175. UAE 125.
Iran 50.
Then OPEC tries to crush American shale by flooding the market. Prices crash from 110 to 30. Petrostates panic. In 2016, Saudi Arabia 130. Russia 75. UAE 60. Crude bottoms at $26. Vision 2030 announced, Saudi Arabia plans life beyond oil. Aramco IPO begins. In 2018, Saudi Arabia 195. Russia 130. UAE 75. USA 65 surges from shale. Trump tears up Iran deal. Iranian exports collapse. Saudis fill the gap. In 2020, Saudi Arabia 100, Russia 70, UAE 40. Pandemic crashes demand. Oil futures briefly trade negative for the first time in history. Texas drillers go bankrupt by the dozen. In 2021, Saudi Arabia 175, Russia 110, USA 75, UAE 70. Recovery begins. China stockpiles cheap crude. Inflation starts climbing. In 2022, Saudi Arabia 310, Russia 142, USA 140, Iraq 129.
Putin invade Ukraine.
Brent hits 130. Saudi profits double in 12 months. Russia keeps selling to China and India. In 2023, Saudi Arabia 210, USA 117, Iraq 102, UAE 95.
OPEC plus extend production cut.
Renewables now generate more electricity than oil, but planes, trucks, ships still burn crude. In 2024, Saudi Arabia 191, USA 110, Iraq 93, Russia 80. The kingdom's revenue beats Greece's entire economy. MBS continues building Neom, the trillion-dollar desert city. In 2025, Saudi Arabia 195 billion. The petrodollar still rules. By 2026,